Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps from the home screen and app drawer on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE or any other One UI 8 device. By default, you can show the all application on the app drawer and the home screen on your device. If you want to hide specific application on your Samsung device without third-party app, follow this tutorial. So tap and hold the black space on the home screen. Tap the settings gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down until you can see the hide apps on home and app screen option. So tap on it on your device. Here you can see the list of application installed on your device. So select the application you want to hide on your device. So here we select the Google Chrome, Facebook. Now select the application and tap on a done option. At the top you can see the list of hidden application. So tap on a done to hide app from the home screen and app drawer. Now go to home screen and you can say hide Facebook application from the here. Also you can't find in the app drawer on your device, or also you can't find in the folder also. So if you want to access this application again or find the hidden apps, follow the same steps. Just tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on hide apps on home and app screen. Now tap on the minus icon to remove from the hidden apps. So here we tap on the minus icon. Now tap on a done option. Now open the app drawer and at the end you can find both application or all unhide application on your Samsung S25 FE. So quite easy to hide, show or hide application from the app drawer and home screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.